So here I need to play a little with the text. Okay, trend watch is supposed to be like a title. So I want to make like this larger. First of all, I want everything aligned. And I need to break some of those objects one to the other because I need to create special boxes. So I want to get this guy here. I will take advantage later. About the credits and this, I want to take advantage of this later. About all this story here will be a separate piece right here. Okay, so let's go ahead. About the neo-baroque and modern witches, I want to have like a modern font here. Vuoto. And I made this guy bigger, too much big. Okay. And for neo-baroque, okay, and then much larger. Maybe I need to raise the leading of this guy. And then here I want to do something special. I want to make like a sort of special box in a triangle. So I'll create the new text box. I'm pasting the text inside. Okay, Minion Pro 16. In this case, I also want to do something a little unusual. I want to make this text box as a triangle. So this is something new I never told you before. You can use the white arrow and you can move the edges of the box in order to create like a sort of a triangle. And this one, it's bold. Okay, I'm not taking care of all the character style of this stuff. In reality here, for example, will be nice to create like new paragraph style, body text, no, anzi, cover body text. Okay, and will be this one. But this guy here in bold, so basically also I want to create a character style. Bold. Okay, and then from here I can apply bold. So also here are respected. In this case, neo-baroque, maybe I want to have this a little closer to each other. Okay, like this. And maybe neo-baroque can be in this case a little lighter in terms of color, because it's less important. While modern witches maybe can be a little bigger. So just to finish, name class semester. I want name class semester, then I will place in the master page. I will show you later. So name class semester. I want to make this all capital. And then I want to have, like in this case, a black background of this box and white text. And also I want to show you the text frame option. Okay, Command B. I want to set the text in the center of this box. Ok, I will center this into the page, going allinea alla pagina and then center into the page. And this guy goes here, and there is maybe another rectangle as large as this that goes down here and here and here. Okay, let me see how big is this one. Maybe credits will be nice like that. This is 12, can be smaller. Okay, and in case you want, you can make like a big selection of this guy, remove align to page by align to selection, center. Okay, here we go. W to see how it look like. Maybe this guy can be a little up, and the first page, it is done.